pattern drafting made by Emilgen S. Castro.
Good morning. Our activity this morning is to make a pattern of an A-line skirt. First, we will get the body measurement. So we will get the waist. So it is 31 inches. Next is the hip one. The hip one is 35 inches. Next is the hip 2. The hip 2 is 40 inches. Then the length, we will get the length from the waistline up to the upper knee. It is 19 inches. By the way, in getting the waist measurement, it is in circumferential measurement. Now we will get the bust distance. The bust distance is 9 inches. Okay, these are the body measurement of an A-line skirt. The waist, hip, and hip 2, we will divide the measurement into 4. And the bust distance, we will divide into 2. After getting the body measurement, we will prepare the drafting tools, the pattern paper, the measuring tools, and the marker. Step 1. I will draw a perpendicular line. Mark the corner, point A. From the point A, we will measure 4 inches down. This point B. From point E is 1/4 of the second hip measurement. The second hip measurement is 10. So from A, we will measure 8 inches and mark C. Then from A, we will measure length of the skirt. The length of the skirt is 19 inches. So from point A, measure 19 inches. So it is the length of the skirt. We will draw a horizontal line for B, C, and D. Step 6. From point A, we will measure 1/2 of the bust distance. So the bust distance is 9 inches divided 2 is equal to 4.5. So from point A, we will measure 4.5. 4.5. This is point E. The waist measurement is 31 inches and it is divided into 4 and it is equal to 7 1/4 inches. And we will add 1 1/4 inches for the dart allowance. So 7 1/4 plus 1 1/4 is equal to 8 1/2. It is point F. From point B, we will measure the first hip measurement. The hip measurement is 35 inches and it is divided into 4. And it is equal to 8.75 inches plus 1/2 inches to the right. So, it is from point B, 8.75 plus 1/2 inch for the allowance is equal to 9 and 1/4 inches. It is our point G. Our second hip measurement is 40 inches and it is divided into 4. And it is 10 inches. So from point C, we will measure 10 inches. It is our second hip measurement and we will add 1/2 inch to the right. So it's equal to 10.5. Our corner edge. Okay. Next is to connect the F, G, and H to line D with the aid of the hip curve. Corner of D, H is I. From I, measure 1/2 inches upward. So it is 1/2 inch upward. It is 1/2 inch upward. And it is marked as J. Connect D and J with the aid of hip curve to shape the hemline. Okay. Shaping the waistline and dart. From A, measure 1/2 inch down. 1/2 inch down. And it is labeled as AI. Okay. Oh. If I is 1/2 inch upward, FI. Measure 5.8 inches on both sides of E. So it is 5 inches. 5.5/8 inches. Connect AI and FI. Cut the pattern from AI to E to FI, then to G, F to G, then to H, down to J. Then from A to down to D. Then from point D to point J. This is the pattern of A-line skirt. Thank you.